Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reverse a video in CapCut PC step by step. The reverse feature lets you play your video backward to create fun and creative effects. So let's get started. First, open CapCut on your PC. Next, create a new project or open an existing one. Then, import the video you want to reverse. Drag the video onto the timeline. Next, click to select the video clip on the timeline. Then, click the reverse button from the toolbar above the timeline. Wait while CapCut processes the video. Once the process is complete, play the video to preview the reverse effect. If you're happy with the result, click the Export button in the top right corner. Choose your export settings, then click Export again to save your reversed video. And that's it! You've successfully reversed a video in CapCut PC. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut PC tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.